guys, the Blackwing is officially done. And today, for the first time ever, I'm going to be driving it inside the Freedom Factory, which I just could not wait to do. This is the moment that we get to really rip the car where it's going to live forever. But the whole purpose of the Blackwing is taking passengers. It's a sedan. So today we're going to invite all of the Freedom Factory employees over for some donuts.
Nice.
I think they might be getting some delicious donuts. They're getting way better donuts because they're all getting to ride in the Blackwing. And right now we're going to test it with this crew right here, us 5, make sure it's good. This will be the first rip on the track with it. Then we'll throw some tires on it, send a text off in the group chat, and make everyone's day a little bit more fun with some donuts. Man, this is a little nerve-wracking.
Big moment.
We also have all this stuff in here because it's summer now. So look at the stage on the back straight.
Violent, dude.
I cannot go through there. But
No, don't hit the stage. Don't hit any of the very nice fence they got set up.
Look at the burnout pad though. That's gonna be rowdy all weekend.
Let's just cover it. Let's just not hit anything.
I know. I don't want to wreck this car either.
First of all,
why do we talk?
You
about
got a
this
helmet
so
on,
much?
so how about you just shut up with that nonsense?
You guys just talk about wrecking our toys too much.
We're not gonna wreck it. Come on, boys.
It's a Cadillac. It's got everything it needs not to wreck.
Your car, your playground, bud. You wreck whatever you want.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. We don't need to wreck.
I wonder what gear I'm gonna be in on the banks.
Probably all of it.
Probably at least third.
Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking third for sure. Third gear in this thing's like 120.
Adam said if you're not in fourth, you're not trying.
Well, we might make it there. We just might make it there.
We got the power for it.
Wow. What an absolute unit. Literally a Cadillac.
Started off on the burnout pad, feel it out a little bit. Oh, the throttle response is so nice.
Straight to back. Probably like, what the heck was that?
Oh!
He made it, bud.
Oh no!
No, these wheels have gotten scratched from the start.
You're about to do something really, really cool,
Unbelievable.
though. That was sporty.
Are you kidding me? First transition?
Dude, just hit that curve
Hey,
just right.
park it, bud. Don't let.
You don't think I can make it back like this?
Make it back.
You know what I'm thinking? We didn't even check the air pressure either. Popped right off of there, debeated it. What a test.
I'll be right back. I'm just going to get a tire. You know what I'm saying?
Smart. Well, at least it didn't hurt nothing.
All right. Get used to these pit stops, Zach. You know what I'm saying?
I think I'm gonna need a flatter jack.
Dang. Dude, you know what we need is those air-powered jacks that go pick up the back of it.